Hello, Bacha Buddy. Today we are going to discuss about the breathing. Breathing is one of the most important part of our life. So, students, today I am not interested to make a very long video. So, the reasons I already try here respiratory system. So, try to understand within one time because at this time I am not interested to make very big video. Okay. So, students, first I want to clear what is breathing. So breathing, you know that breathing is a process in which organism just like us, we inhale oxygen from the atmosphere and exhale carbon dioxide to the atmosphere by the help of a system. That system is known as here respiratory system. Okay. When we intake oxygen, this process is known as inhalation. When we exhale carbon dioxide, this process is known as exhalation. Clear? When we inhale oxygen, then our ribs come up and our diaphragm going to downsides. So, what is ribs and what is diaphragm? So, it is diaphragm, which is clear from the figure. It is flat-like structure, and ribs which cover which protects the lungs. Which protects the lungs is known as ribs. So, when we inhale oxygen, then our ribs come upside and our diaphragm going to moves down. Okay. When we exhale carbon dioxide, then our ribs moves down and our diaphragm moves up. Okay. After this, how respiratory systems helps in the process of breathing. So by the help of respiratory systems, we intake oxygen. So we have nose, and in nose presents nostrils, and nostrils presents nasal passage. So nasal passage presents a small hair, and these small hairs have ability, they act as filtration. When we intake the air, then in air some small dust particles are present, and these dust particles eliminated by the help of that small hairs which is present in our nose. Okay. So first we intake oxygen by the help of this nasal passage. Through the nasal passage, air it travel and come into oral cavity. After oral cavity, it travels and reach to the pharynx. Pharynx is the one of the most important part of our respiratory system because it is the place where food combined with oxygen. After that, food is separated and oxygen is also separated. Food separated and travel by the help of food pipe, and wind or air travel by the help of wind pipe. That wind pipe, another name which is known as trachea. Okay. When we move again, then this trachea divided into two parts, and both parts is attached with the help of lungs. Lungs is protected by the help of ribs. Lungs is protected by the help of ribs, and this lungs is situated in this cavity, okay, or a ring cavity. Okay, this divided part, anterior part, which is covered with the help of some cartilage, its single form is known as bronchus and its plural form is known as bronchi. Again, its large parts which contain some air bags. These air bags, singular form is known as alveolus, which have bag-like structure, and its plural form is known as alveoli. Alveoli contain oxygen. Alveoli contain oxygen, and these oxygen sent to that cell have presents glucose. This glucose reacts with oxygen to form carbon dioxide and energy. After that, this carbon dioxide sent to the alveoli from the cell, and alveoli again transfer or send this carbon dioxide to the out of our body. So it is the complete process of breathing, because in the process of breathing only exchange of gases. So here we intake oxygen and we transfer carbon dioxide. So only transfer of gases. Our lungs is protected. Our lungs is protected by the help of a layer. That layer is known as pleura. That layer is known as pleura. Okay. So students, for today only this much related to the breathing. Other topic we will cover in next video. Okay.